white cake mix that has a Fanta soda in it, and those are the only ingredients. Did get a good view in the bowl. We'll open this up, dump it in. And supposedly you only need the soda, so we'll pour that in. And then we will mix it for the 3 minutes like you normally do a cake mix. Ooh, that's a pretty color.
I can smell it.
Yeah, that smells really orangey. I don't know. I'm wondering how this is all going to work out, but it said that hack should work, so we'll find out. It feels like a regular cake mix too as it's mixing.
It smells like muffins.
That does smell like muffins.
It smells like blueberry muffins. Just like, ah yes, muffins.
It does smell good.
Can I just eat the batter? Just like...
Well, there's no eggs in it, so you could probably dip your finger in and try it.
This is mine now.
It almost kind of looks like frosting too.
I know. Okay, this is mine now.
All right.
Joking.
It looks nice and mixed. We get this out of the road, and then we'll get it into our pan. Get some spray going here for scissors out of the way. Spray our pan up nice. And we'll move it over to a baking pan. Wiggle this in. Wow, I'm amazed how much this looks just like a normal cake mix.
I just want to just grab it and just pop.
Alright. Little tapsies on that. Go off. Alright. And we have the oven at 350 degrees and we will cook that for, let me double check with the box again. So normal cake you would do 34 to 38 minutes, so we will pop it in for 34 minutes then. Alright, we'll check that in 34 minutes, see what it looks like.
See you guys in a little bit.
What it looks like, we mixed a white cake mix with an orange Fanta. We cooked it in the oven for 350 degrees for 34 minutes. And now we pull out the oven, and here is what our cake looks like. Now, we will taste it. Yes. All right. And we have our cat helping us. Do you want a sample, kitty? Let's see what it's like. That's really good, actually. Very good. The only kind of different is it's a little flatter, but then again, I guess that's all right. It's kind of like a brownie. And here we got another cat examining our treat.
Get down.
All right, so there we have it. White cake mix with an orange Fanta. Tastes pretty good.